Hey, so tonight we're going to do the Kids Sense Mightypro, which is a prebiotic and a probiotic. So you need the probiotic for gut health and support, and then the prebiotic helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. So if you're not already on a probiotic, it's something that you really need to look into. Google it. I'm sure you can find tons of information. There is so much scientific information showing you that your gut really is the second brain of your entire body. The thing about these is they come in little sample or sachet packets, so they're individually dosed. You just rip it off and dump it in there. They literally taste like pixie sticks. They are delicious. That's pretty much it. So you really just kind of open it up. We all take this every night except for Curtis. He does something different. But all of the kids do this plus me. You just open it up like that and you're done. Y'all have a great night and I'll see you tomorrow.